Hi there, Kathy Elkind here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a walker, a writer, an eater, and a speaker. On my YouTube channel, you will find videos about my husband and I's walk in southern Spain, a couple on our walks in southern Italy, and then quite a few on our walk in 2018 along the Grand Randonnée 5, the GR5, in Europe that starts in Hoek van Holland and goes all the way through parts of Belgium, Luxembourg, and the whole length of France down to the Mediterranean. And I love that walk so much, I ended up writing a memoir called To Walk It Is to See It. One couple, 98 days and 1,400 miles on Europe's GR5. If you love walking, eating, there's a little bit about marriage in here. There's a lot of different things about and relationships. Check out my book. Please buy it from an independent bookstore because we want to support independent bookstores. And if you love it, please share it with a friend. Word of mouth is still the best way to share books. And what else do I want to say? Oh, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you will get some more videos about walking. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.